Hello guys and gals, this is Code for Geek and I'm your friend Adesh. The AUR. The Arch user repository can be only used on Arch Linux and its derivative distributions such as Manjaro or EndeavourOS. This is really interesting because when you install applications on Windows, you just download an exe file, run it, do next like a primate you are, and it is installed. On Linux, the process is simplified and you can just install applications from the built-in software store. Unless it's not available in the official repositories, then you have to hunt for the dev or RPM file, and then the process becomes hectic and kind of becomes similar to the Windows process. Therefore, the AUR. Why would you hunt for a package when you can just get it from here? Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to talk about how to use the AUR manually and automate the installation process using the ye command in the later part of the video. So put on your seatbelts and let's go for a drive. Before we proceed, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Code for Geek for more such Linux related videos. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the website of Arch user repository, and let's say you want to install an application from here. So first search for the package name, and as you can see the Chrome browser is right here. And we can check that it's not available in the official repo of Arch. In some cases, there is also a bin or a binary file of a package in the AUR, and that's because building that application from scratch is probably going to take a long time. So people just end up installing a pre-built binary. So how do you build this Google Chrome package on your Arch PC? What you need to do is copy the link from this download snapshot option on the website and then open the terminal. In the terminal, let's first install the base devel package, as it contains all the essential dependencies which you are going to need at some point anyway if you constantly use the AUR. To do that, just type sudo pacman-s base devel. Next, download the Google Chrome package using the wget command. You can paste in the terminal by pressing Ctrl+Shift+V by the way. Now once this file is downloaded, I'm going to extract it using the tar command. So just type tar-xvf and then the file name, which is Google Chrome. Now enter into the extracted directory using the cd command, and let's list out everything in the directory using the ls command. And as you can see, there is a pkg build file, and before installing any application from the AUR, it is recommended that you read this pkg build file so that during the installation is going on, no malicious code is executed. Not that any AUR application has done this before, but it is a safe practice anyway. Look out for any rm-rf commands, and once satisfied, you can close this out by pressing Ctrl+X on your keyboard. Now run the make package command. This is part of the pacman command by the way, and should be present on any Arch Linux based distribution. This will build the installer for you. Once again, type ls and then you can see that the new tar.zst file has been created. So in order to install the software from this file, type sudo pacman-u and the tar.zst file, and the installation will begin. Now you will be able to launch Google Chrome from the application menu of your distribution, and if you want to uninstall it, you can do that normally with the help of pacman command. Just type sudo pacman-rns and then the package name, which is Google Chrome. As you have seen, installing any application from the AUR can be quite hectic. There are lots of steps and naturally one can make a mistake at any step. So there are various AUR helpers which are made by the developers to automate this full process. The most famous ones are ye and paru, and since typing ye takes less time than paru, most people use ye. Before you see how this works, we will have to install it from the AUR itself, and for that unfortunately we will have to use the old method only for the first time though. So go to the AUR website and search for ye, copy the download snapshot link and then use the wget command in the terminal to download this file. Once downloaded, use the tar command to extract this file. So tar-xvf and then the downloaded file name. cd into the extracted directory, and as you can see, only the package build file is present here. So let's run the make package command. Oops, it says that a dependency go is missing. So first let's install it. Just type sudo pacman-s go, and then if asked, enter your password. Press enter. Once it's installed, again let's run the make package command. Now type ls, and as you can see a tar.gst file has been created. So now type sudo pacman-u and then the tar.gst file name to install ye on your system. Now ye is installed on your PC, and you can just run ye-syu to update everything on your system, including all the AUR packages. Once the update is finished, let's actually see how you can install Google Chrome using the ye AUR helper. So you just have to type ye-s and then Google-Chrome, which is the name of the Google Chrome package in the AUR. So it is asking me whether to clean build, and the default is selected none. Since the build files already exist, I don't have to do clean build, and the default is selected as none, which is highlighted. But if it is not highlighted in your case, you can just type capital N to select this option. Then it is asking me to show the diffs, and again I don't have to, so I'll just select the none again. And now it is asking you to confirm the installation of Google Chrome. So just press enter, as Y is already selected and it is the capital here. So yeah, Google Chrome is now installed on our PC with the help of ye command, and once again you can verify it from the app menu. So in this video we learned about the AUR and how to install applications from there using the manual method as well as with the help of ye. If you want to learn more about the ye command, then you can check out the man page of ye, which can be accessed by typing man ye, and from here you can check out plenty of options this command offers. If you have any doubts related to the AUR or ye, let me know in the comments down below, and see you in the next one.